As we get busy, it's important to keep a list of clients eager to get in for an appointment. Utilize the waiting list to keep your list of clients organized and find their next appointment with ease. Clients who use the check-in kiosk as walk-ins will also appear on the waiting list. To add a client to the waiting list. From the appointment book, click Waiting List button. Click Add to Waiting List. Search for a client or click plus to add a new client. Select an appointment date range. Select worker and service combinations. Enter notes in the Notes field. Click Save. The entry will now be added to the waiting list. To add a client to the waiting list from Find Appointment page. Go to the appointment book, then click Find Appointment. Search for a client or click the plus sign to add a new client. Select an appointment date. Select worker and service combinations. Enter notes in the Notes field. Click Search for appointment. Click Add to waiting list. If you want to search for availabilities for a specific waiting list client, go to the waiting list. Then, simply click Find Appointment. Name, service, worker and notes will populate the Find Appointment page. Make adjustments as needed. Click Search for appointment. Select a date and time to book the appointment. Click Book to add it to the calendar and it will be automatically removed from waiting list. If no appointment is chosen, the original client entry will remain on the waiting list. Additional waiting list operations. There are filters to display results by date, worker, or expired entries. By default, the waiting list date range will default to show only the next 30 days. If you are looking for additional entries, enter a wider date range, select Show Expired Only. Sort by created date, date range, start date, client first name or client last name. Click Delete All Expired to remove expired entries. Click the trash can icon to remove the item from the list. Hover over Note icon to see the note associated with the line item. Click the pencil icon to edit the entry. Helpful tip: if a currently booked appointment gets its status updated to cancelled, the system will then automatically open the waiting list.